Dyno command, check this out. We now have the full domain of the application on the client side. The client can now phone home and make an XML HTTP request to the server because now it knows where that goddamn server is. We also have this flag of, is this URL okay? Well, it is okay, so we're not going to crash when we start the application this time. And we can also see in the environments route, we can see aim kanji right here under this brand new environment variable. How do we do all that? What is the dyno command for all of this? It is Heroku Labs : disable runtime dyno metadata -- app and then your app in double quotes. Also, you may have to do an empty commit. This is an empty commit. You may need to do that and then a git push Heroku master to force the application to restart and have those new environment variables take hold. This has been the short tutorials. If you want longer tutorials, you can go here or you can go here. It's all the same content for all the same video numbers, just different durations. Like and subscribe. Give me money in the mail.